Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl 𝕟𝕤𝕒𝕚𝕒, the motherfucking only. Anyways, you guys, I'm going to New York City, so I'm very excited about that. But yes, this is gonna be my third time going to the Big Apple, you guys, but this is actually my first time that I'll ever be traveling on a private jet. So I'm very excited, very stoked to share that experience with you guys. But anyway, so I'm like low-key feeling myself, because who wouldn't? You feel me? Period. But anyways, let me not get too full of myself. But yeah, so I'm rushing right now. I gotta go get my kiddos and meet up with my husband, and we're gonna get to the airport and we're gonna get this vlog going. And so I already know this vlog is gonna be lit, so go ahead and give your girl a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and check out my channel and show me some love. Give me some love and I'll give y'all some love. Anyways, you guys, let me just get into this vlog, get off here, because I'm rushing and I'm probably gonna be late as always. But yeah, you guys, let's get up out of here and get to the airport. All right, you guys, so we made it here to the airport. And I was just telling my daughter, like, it's crazy because her and my husband, neither one of them have ever taken a plane, and their first time taking a plane is on a freaking private jet. Like, that is so lit. Are you ready, Momo? And it's Millie's first time. Oh my God, all three of y'all's first time on a plane is in the jet. Y'all doing it up right. Y'all, I'm so excited, but we're gonna get on here and yeah. I think it'd be good. Mumu, you good?
Yes, ma'am.
You're going. Oh, Mumu. Alright, we're taking off, you guys. Scared, you guys. He's not scared at all. He's loving it. Oh my gosh. How you feeling? Oh, that feeling.
You can open your window right there, man.
How you feel, babe?
Good. You gotta to the side, to the side.
Oh my gosh. You like it, Millie?
Yeah. Oh my God.
We got stewardess Momo. Here, I'll take the water. I'm so happy that you get to experience this, guys. But you guys, we have maybe like 40-45 minutes left till we hit NYC, and then yeah, so we're just gonna chill and relax for the rest of the flight, and I'll see you guys once we land. So we just killed this whole Woodford Reserve. We're literally right over New York, basically.
Can we go there? Please? I love it. I love the beach. Please come my shop bag. And I think I can see Canada.
Think you can see Canada?
I don't know. Yeah.
Look, Mama, this is downtown New York, he said.
Yeah, that's downtown. We can't go there. That's closed.
But y'all, he's not lying. With this whole COVID, we probably won't be able to do too much just because of the whole we're not vaccinated. But we're still gonna make the best out of it.
It was so fun.
It was so fun. Oh my gosh, you guys, so we made it. Safe and sound. Thank you, Jesus. Yes. Finish my drink, and then we're gonna get off this plane, and we're gonna explore NYC. Look at that sun, y'all. Y'all, look at the Mayweather. His private jet is here, right where we landed. I feel like he's on there. That'd be dope if he was. But anyways, you guys, we made it safe and sound. Thank God. My hat is all over the place. But there's really not too much that we can do just because we're not vaccinated. And here in New York, it's like everything, they verify your vaccination or whatever. So we're gonna try to do what we can do, but other than that, like, we're just here to relax and enjoy, have a little mini getaway. But I feel like this is the show. But anyways, you guys, let me get off here because it's cold AF. And yeah, so we'll just get on with today's vlog, and then you guys, yeah. Alright, you guys, so we made it. It's so cold. Well, it's not that cold, but it's like in the 50s over here. But we're gonna order an Uber, we'll get some food, and then I gotta charge my camera up. I gotta clear some storage because I forgot my memory card. So yeah. Yeah, that's the vibe. My nose is getting really red.
But what happened?
But it was a smooth flight, you guys, right? And this is our pilot right there. I can get it to focus. But yeah. So that's the vibe, you guys.
Well, you like that?
So we're leaving the airport, you guys.
There you go.
You guys, this traffic is so crazy. Like, it's not even lanes. It's literally get in where you fit in. But we're going through the little paid toll thingy, the Easy Pass. We're about to be at the Brooklyn Bridge. I mean the Bronx Bridge. Is where we're at. We still got like an hour drive to the hotel. Shit. We've been stuck in traffic. But we're actually in the Bronx right now, and look, you guys, the city is all the way. You guys have moved. It's all the way over there. But y'all can't really see it. There is the city right over there, you guys. I swear it's a Tesla. Like every 2 cars is a Tesla. Alright, you guys, so we're walking to our hotel because it's just way too much traffic. But we're actually gonna get something to eat first. Okay. We really walking down the street with the luggage. Oh, this is the hotel we're staying in, you guys. You guys, look how cute the tree is. The hotel we're gonna stay in. It's called the... We came to this restaurant of Illinois. And it's so nice. And we met up with my group people. So we got a whole group. So beautiful. We got an oyster. We got some lobster. And some Japanese rice, regular rice. I don't know what the food is. That's some ramen. There's so much food. We got duck. I'm gonna see him try it. Alright, you guys, so we're leaving the restaurant. It is good. I'm so full and so stuffed. We had so much, you guys. We had a lot.